Hey my friends, he played Super Witch. Please go subscribe to him. He just made a video 2 hours ago. Hi Kitten. Hopefully you will be watching this. I made this one for you because you said I need to make more videos. So yeah. Happy now? Jeez. Anyway, so I got a kitten. I will show you her. I have to be very careful. Come on, kitty, kitty. Say hi to the camera, meow.